All right, this comes in from Tronco, and this is a tumbler that looks really cool. First of all, I love that color on the box. And here it is. This is the 40-ounce tumbler. So you have a nice hard plastic. This thing is built really strong. Like, this is a solid handle. I really like that a lot. Good to see how strong this thing is when you're holding it. It comes with two different straws. One is larger than the other and also green and see-through. But man, this thing is huge. So we put the top on like so, and it's a cool blue color too. It comes in a variety of different colors, and I actually like this color scheme. It's a very good summer vibe to it. When there's no straw in there, it's actually closed so it won't spill, and then you can use the straw to poke it open. So it has this little hinge here, so when you put your straw through it, it opens it up. That way when it's shut, you won't get any spilling, which is a very, very great idea. It also has different measurements on it, which is really cool if you want to have the appropriate amount of like water or liquids during your day. You have 8 a.m. start, and this will take you all the way through the day until an 8 p.m. finish. So that's kind of a cool way to keep track. Put your straw through it. That straw will go all the way down, and you have that much room left. So great product, really nice, cool colors, high quality. It's going to be great for your drinks during the summer. Fill it up with iced tea, fill it up with whatever you want, and enjoy. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.